In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with SharePoint in a few easy steps. By the end of this guide, you'll seamlessly unify these robust platforms, enhancing your productivity and collaboration. This integration allows you to attach and manage SharePoint files and folders directly within a Jira issue, streamlining your workflows. So, let's dive right in. To get started, launch your Jira application and focus on the left-hand panel. Here, you'll notice a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Apps. Clicking on this will lead you to another option that says Explore More Apps. Select this option, and you'll find yourself facing a broad array of third-party applications that can be integrated into your Jira ecosystem. Once you're on the Apps page, use the search bar to type in SharePoint Connector for Jira. This specific connector is crafted to bridge the gap between Jira and SharePoint. What's great about this is that it allows you to manage documents stored in SharePoint without ever needing to leave your Jira environment. Simply click Install and give the system a moment to complete this process. If any on-screen instructions pop up during this installation, be sure to follow them to finalize the setup. With the SharePoint connector for Jira now successfully installed, it's time to move on to the next step. Navigate to your project within Jira. You'll want to choose a project where leveraging the enhanced capabilities that the SharePoint integration offers can really make a difference. Once you are in your project space, look for an issue that you're currently working on, or perhaps one you'd like to update. Clicking on this issue will open it up, taking you to the detailed page of the issue. Just beneath the name of the issue, you'll find a menu option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the listed options, you should see SharePoint and OneDrive. Selecting SharePoint and OneDrive from this menu is where the integration truly shines. It allows you to attach files and folders directly from SharePoint or OneDrive into your Jira issue. This feature is truly a game changer for maintaining synergy between your project documentation and task management. Whether you're working with spreadsheets, presentations, or any other type of documents, integrating them right into your Jira issues ensures that your team always has quick and easy access to the information they need. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully integrated SharePoint with Jira, creating a more cohesive workspace. Your team can now seamlessly manage and coordinate their tasks with all the necessary resources at their fingertips. As always, if you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to revisit these steps. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy integrating.